हाय हाय स्टूडेंट। चलिए आज मैं रीडिंग करना सिखा रहा हूँ। ठीक है। रनिंग वे में सिखाऊंगा कि कैसे रीडिंग करते हैं। वन बाय वन हमारे पीछे पीछे आपको दोहराना होगा। चलिए पढ़ते हैं। पढ़िए यहाँ से। द स्पॉटी ग्रे किटन। हो गया। द स्पॉटी ग्रे किटन के बारे में हम पढ़ रहे हैं। ठीक है। चलिए दोहराना है पीछे पीछे। ग्रेडी was a little, comma, grey kitten, full stop. He had a white spot on his back and a black spot on his nose, full stop. Grady lived with his mom and two sisters on a farm, full stop. Grady's sisters were white with black spots. Full stop. Both of his sisters were very good. Full stop. Grady was the naughty one. Full stop. He was always getting into trouble. Full stop. Grady was very adventurous. Full stop. He wanted to explore the farm. Full stop. One day he went out into the farmyard to see what was in the big wide world. Full stop. Grady said to himself, comma, I am not afraid of anything! Exclamation marks. Suddenly, a big monster rolled out of the garage and sent Grady spinning into the bushes. Full stop. He did not know what had rolled past. Full stop. He picked himself up and decided it was time to go home. Full stop. देखिए बिहार नवोदय विद्यालय की तैयारी करवाई जा रही है। ठीक है। यहाँ क्लास 6 की तैयारी भी करवाई जा रही है, फिर 9th की स्टार्ट होने ही वाले हैं। ठीक है। तो जो नवोदय की तैयारी करना चाहते हैं वो ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं इस इंस्टीट्यूट में। ठीक है। इंस्टीट्यूट का नाम डिजिटल अछुआर है। ये व्हाट्सएप नंबर है। ठीक है। बैच स्टार्ट हो चुकी है। चलिए पढ़िए। ग्रेडी लुक्ड लेफ्ट एंड ही looked right, comma, but there was nowhere that looked like home. Full stop. He was lost. Full stop. Oh dear, comma, Grady thought. Full stop. Now what shall I do? Question mark. He walked across a field and suddenly he stopped! Exclamation mark. There in front of him was a furry, comma, white animal with spots on its back. Full stop. Grady thought it must be one of his sisters. Full stop. Grady ran up to the furry, comma, a spotted animal. Full stop. Can you take me home? Question mark. Asked Grady. Full stop. No, said the furry animal. Full stop. You do not belong in my home. Full stop. Look at you, comma, you do not have big ears and you do not hop like me. said the furry animal. Full stop. चलिए साथ साथ बोलिएगा मेरे पीछे पीछे. Grady realized he did not belong with this animal. Full stop. Full stop. Grady ran to the farmyard where he saw another spotty animal. Full stop. It was a bit bigger than Grady, but it had spots on its back. Full stop. Grady ran up to the spotty animal. Full stop. Can I come home with you? Question mark. You look just like me with all those spots, said Grady. The big animal grunted and jumped into a mud puddle. Full stop. I have mud spots on my back. Full stop. Come and roll in the mud if you want mud spots, said the muddy spotty animal. Full stop. No, thanks, said Grady. Full stop. He did not want to get muddy. Full stop. Grady ran away again. Full stop. Grady was getting worried. Full stop. He was hungry too. Full stop. Then Grady saw another spotted animal. Full stop. This animal had a loud voice. Full stop. Rough, rough, said the voice. Full stop. Can I help you? Question mark. Grady just nodded. Full stop. He felt himself being lifted up and carried away. Full stop. A spotty dog had found Grady. Full stop. He scratched at the front door. Full stop. A little girl opened the door. Full stop. She jumped up and down. Full stop. She was so happy to see the spotty dog and the kitten. Full stop. She took Grady right back to his mother. Full stop. She was lying in a basket in the kitchen. Full stop. Grady saw his mom and his two sisters. Full stop. Grady listened to their soft purring. फुल स्टॉप. चलिए फिर से पढ़िए. पीछे पीछे बोलिएगा, नींद नहीं आनी चाहिए. चाय और कॉफ़ी पी लीजिए, ठीक है. फिर पढ़िए. पुर पुर सेड द अदर किटन्स. फुल स्टॉप. दे वेयर हैप्पी टू. फुल स्टॉप. ग्रेडी was put back in his basket. Full stop. He felt happy as he snuggled up with his family. Full stop. He was safe now and he was going to get some milk for his supper. Full stop. पुर एक्सक्लेमेटरी मार्क्स. चलिए ये ख़त्म हो गई है, ठीक है. आपको मैं थैंक यू बोलता हूँ. आप इस वीडियो को लगातार देखते रहेंगे, ठीक है. और साथ साथ पीछे पीछे बोलने पड़ेंगे, ठीक है. थैंक यू.